Heilongjiang Province in northeast China has been hit by a severe snowstorm, leading to a widespread crisis. The extreme weather event, one of the most severe in recent history, caused widespread damage, including collapsed buildings and frozen streets. Major highways across the province are closed and travel has been severely disrupted, with roads becoming treacherous and airports canceling flights, leaving many travelers stranded. Schools in Heilongjiang and neighboring provinces have suspended classes to ensure the safety of students and teachers. In Jiamusi City, Heilongjiang Province, a stadium collapsed under the weight of snow, trapping 3 people. Local authorities quickly responded with rescue operations. The National Meteorological Center warned that this snowfall could break historical records for this time of year, as the main reason is the convergence of cold and warm air masses bringing excessive humidity from the Bahai and Yellow Seas. The aftermath was catastrophic, with footage showing long lines of stranded trucks near Harbin, the provincial capital. China's meteorological authorities have issued an orange alert, the second highest level on a 4-level scale. The snowstorm is expected to continue and affect other regions of China. Beijing and Tianjin introduced central heating in response to falling temperatures. Weather China issued a public advisory urging the elderly, children, and people in poor physical health to limit outdoor activities and emphasizing the need to be vigilant. Local authorities are taking measures to mitigate the effects of snowfall, focusing on public safety and minimizing disruption. The crisis in Heilongjiang Province highlights the importance of preparedness and resilience to extreme weather conditions. Communities are coming together to face challenges, demonstrating the resilience and determination of people in northeast China. The strength and determination of the people in Heilongjiang and beyond is evident as they work to rebuild and rebuild. Emergency services in Heilongjiang Province are working tirelessly in response to the devastating snowstorm. Rescue teams are focused on reaching remote areas cut off by snow, delivering relief supplies and medical aid. The government has committed additional resources, including personnel and equipment, to assist in these efforts. The impact on agriculture was significant, as concerns were raised about possible disruptions to food supplies. Farmers face challenges protecting livestock and crops from extreme cold and snow. The government is coordinating with local agricultural departments to provide support and minimize losses. Transport departments are working around the clock to clear roads of snow and restore traffic. Particular attention is paid to critical routes, including those leading to hospitals and emergency services. Rail and air services are gradually resuming, but passengers are advised to expect delays and remain cautious. The health sector is also under pressure. Hospitals are facing an increase in the number of patients suffering from colds. Health authorities are issuing advice on how to stay warm and avoid hypothermia, especially for vulnerable populations. The economic impact of the hurricane is beginning to be felt. Businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, are struggling with transportation disruptions and supply chain disruptions. The government is considering relief measures to support affected businesses and mitigate economic losses. In the midst of these challenges, stories of heroism and community spirit emerge. Neighbors help each other with food and shelter, and volunteers organize humanitarian aid. These acts of kindness and solidarity are a testament to the resilience of the people of Heilongjiang Province. As the snowstorm continues, the focus remains on ensuring the safety and well-being of affected communities. This situation is a stark reminder of the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events due to climate change, highlighting the need for global action and cooperation to address these challenges. The ongoing crisis in Heilongjiang Province is also affecting the region's wildlife and natural habitats. Environmentalists have raised concerns about the impact of severe weather on local flora and fauna. Efforts are being made to monitor and protect endangered species, especially those that are not adapted to such extreme conditions. Telecommunication services were disrupted in several areas, hampering communication and coordination efforts. Technicians are working to restore service, but extreme weather conditions are making their work difficult. People are encouraged to use text messaging or social media to communicate during emergencies, as these services require less bandwidth and are more likely to remain functional. The education sector is adapting to the crisis by moving to online learning where possible. However, this transition is not without its challenges, especially in rural areas with limited internet access. Education authorities are exploring various solutions to ensure continuity of learning for all students. International aid and support began to pour in. Neighboring countries and international organizations are sending aid, including blankets, food, and medicine. This international solidarity is critical to supporting local response efforts. In the midst of this crisis, the cultural impact is also noticeable. Local festivals and events were canceled or postponed, affecting the region's cultural life and economy. However, communities are finding innovative ways to keep their traditions alive by organizing virtual events and social media campaigns to share stories and maintain a sense of community. The crisis is also prompting discussions about long-term strategies to combat such extreme weather events. Experts are calling for more resilient infrastructure, improved emergency response systems, and increased investment in climate resilience measures. The situation in Heilongjiang is a powerful reminder of the urgent need for sustainable practices and policies to combat the impacts of climate change. As the province grapples with pressing challenges, the spirit of resilience and community remains strong. The people of Heilongjiang are determined to overcome this disaster, rebuilding their lives with hope and courage. The road to recovery may be long, but the solidarity and strength demonstrated by the community suggests a future of renewal and resilience.